Hi, my name is Frank, and I created this video to help you prepare for an accurate auto, home, or renter's quote. Today's video is going to guide you on the proper steps to take for a well-prepared quote that meets your needs and budget. First, have copies of your current auto, home, or renter's policy numbers. This information will provide current coverages, deductibles, renewal dates, pricing, and exclusions on your program. Also have on hand the birth dates of all covered insureds, driver licenses in the household along with vehicle identification numbers for all autos you would like to quote. This will save time and provide accuracy and improvements to coverages. Life is unpredictable, and so are your insurance needs. Regularly reviewing your policies can save you money and stress. Understanding the details of your coverage ensures that you're properly protected. This is where an annual review comes in handy. Are your rates still competitive? Life changes might qualify you for significant discounts you didn't know existed. Avoid falling victim to overpayment by ensuring your coverage aligns with both your current situation and your assets. Don't let potential gaps in your coverage leave you vulnerable. A thorough review can identify areas needing additional protection. A major life event, like buying a new car or home, could drastically change your insurance requirements. It's essential to evaluate your coverage regularly. Home renovations also increase your property's value, and your coverages should reflect those updates for full protection. Bundling your policies with one company can unlock significant savings regularly, making it a smart financial move for many families. Reviews allow you to identify and grab discounts. You'll be surprised by how many options could save you money. Reassurance comes from knowing your insurance is up to date and in sync with your life. It's time to take control of your coverage today. Contact Frank at fmice@allstate.com for a review. Include your phone number. Have a blessed day.